Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update OpenSSL on Linux safely step by step clearly. Begin by opening your terminal on your Linux system. Check your current OpenSSL version by typing OpenSSL version. This will help you confirm if an update is necessary. Next, update your package list to ensure you have the latest information on available packages. You can do this by entering sudo apt update for Debian-based systems, or sudo dnf check update for Red Hat-based systems. Once the update is complete, verify which version of OpenSSL is currently installed. If you are using a Debian-based system, type sudo apt install OpenSSL to update. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo dnf upgrade OpenSSL. This command will automatically retrieve and install the latest version. To ensure a smooth upgrade, it's advisable to restart services that depend on OpenSSL. You can find these services using system-to-list-units grep SSL or similar commands. Next, verify the upgrade by checking the OpenSSL version again with OpenSSL version. This will confirm that you have successfully updated to the latest version. In addition, it's a good practice to update related libraries. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt install libsyldev. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo dnf install OpenSSL. Finally, it's crucial to monitor for any security alerts regarding OpenSSL. Completing these steps will help ensure that your OpenSSL installation is up to date and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.